can see behind me, these are the resident doctors of Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital in the national capital, who are in fact sitting on infinite strike, and they are in fact demanding justice as far as the victim is concerned, and also compensation to the victim's family. We'll speak to some of them who have in fact gathered here. With what demand are you sitting?
Our first demand is that we likely to bring a focus of people on this situation. This case is not less than an Nirbhaya case that we had in Delhi. So I want to everyone, society and governments, focus on this case. And along with this, we want a focus on the crime which are occurring against the doctors. We don't feel secure in our hospital campus. There are almost 4 to 5 incidences of FIR launched against the doctors. There are incidents of gunshot in GTP hospital last month, and there's many incidents of violence is increasing day by day against doctors.
One accused in the case has been arrested, but that is not enough, is what you're saying.
On the case, we want to say we want a CBI inquiry, because as the case has started, there was a psychotic problem angle of the case. So the administration of the hospital tried to save the actual culprits. So we want a CBI inquiry for the case.
What are the demands? Because this is not the first time that the doctors are sitting on strike. There have been Protection Act that you always wanted. With what more demands are you sitting?
First of all, we want that the investigation should be thorough. It should be done by CBI, because there are what we are getting from our people from our fraternity, that the facts are being hidden. The people are trying to hide the person who has actually committed, and they are trying to scapegoat some other person. So we want that the investigation should be thorough, and it should be clear and should be evident to everyone. Second, we want that the protection should be applied throughout the country, because there have been numerous episodes against violence against the doctors, which have been reported in the past too many times, but no action has been taken so far. But now this time it has increased to this extent कि वो रेप तक चला गया है. So अगर अभी भी हम लोग अपने डॉक्टर्स के अगेंस्ट कोई स्टेप नहीं लेंगे, तो what else do we want? So this is one thing we want. So we all are looking for Central Protection Act, that the doctors, the saviors should be saved. And we should not sit like this to ask for protection against women. We are serving the society. We do not want you plead to ask for justice for us.
So these are some of the voices that are coming in from the protest side. You can see the kind of posters with which they are sitting here. Violence against doctor ends today. We want justice. Justice delayed is justice denied. So you can see rape, murder of an on-duty doctor. This is not acceptable. With these demands, you can see how the number of resident doctors are in fact sitting on strike here. Now, this is not just the scene that is going to happen in national capital. A call of strike has been given for across the country for doctors. So not just in Delhi, but Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab, all these states are going to go on strike probably by today or by tomorrow, because these doctors have been demanding for the longest time that there needs to be a Protection Act, because when it comes to these doctors, their life is in jeopardy. There have been instances where they have been attacked by the victim's family, and now a doctor herself has been brutally raped and murdered. So a justice needs to be given, a proper act, proper rule needs to be implemented on ground is the demand with which these doctors in huge numbers are sitting at Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. Not just Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, we have been given to understand all the 10 government hospitals across Delhi, the resident doctors are going to demand justice and are going to be sitting on strike starting today. Well, but obvious the elective services are going to get affected, because mostly the resident doctors help the hospital when it comes to the elective services. But when it comes to the emergency services, that is not going to be impacted, is what the doctors are saying, because the in-house doctors and the consultant doctors will continue to carry on with their work. But meanwhile, the elective services in multiple hospitals in Delhi is going to get affected, because you can see these are the visuals that we are bringing to you, live visuals from RML hospitals. These are the resident doctors, their association. Today FODA is in fact decided that they are going to sit on protest. Tomorrow FIMA, which is another federation for Indian Medical Association that is going to go on strike, are in fact going to go on strike. So it is clearly going to impact the services. I will speak to some of them here. देखिए आप लोग यहाँ पे इकट्ठा हुए हैं, कहीं ना कहीं सर्विसेज, इलेक्टिव सर्विसेज भी इफेक्ट करेंगी, तो उसके लिए आप लोगों ने क्या सोचा है?
जी हम माना कि इलेक्टिव सर्विस सारी बंद है, लेकिन डॉक्टर्स ने फिर भी अपनी तरफ से सारी कोशिश की है। स्ट्राइक आज सुबह से चालू हुई है, लेकिन हमने मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पेशेंट्स का काम कल शाम को करके रखा है, इसलिए कि ताकि पेशेंट्स को कोई दिक्कत ना हो। पर ये गवर्नमेंट और अथॉरिटीज़ को भी सोचना चाहिए कि अगर कोई विमेन अपनी वर्किंग प्लेस पे सेफ नहीं है तो वो कैसे काम कर सकती है। आज यहाँ पे सबकी ड्यूटीज लगती है 24 आवर्स 36 आवर्स, तो उसमें भी ओवरनाइट वर्क है, तो वो कहाँ जाएगी? रुकने के लिए जगह नहीं होती है मैम रात को। यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे जो गवर्नमेंट का इनिशिएटिव है कि हर महिला सुरक्षित रहे उनके लिए, और टॉयलेट प्रेमिसेस भी बने, वो भी तक साफ सुथरे नहीं होते, तो फिर एक कोई डॉक्टर कैसे इतना सेफ फील कर सकता है, कैसे 36 आवर्स की ड्यूटी कर सकता है? तो हम चाहते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट इस तरफ ध्यान दे, और जो अभी जघन्य अपराध हुआ है उसके लिए एक सीबीआई इंक्वायरी हो और सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट लागू है, यही हमारी मुख्य मांग है।
देखिए, सिर्फ दिल्ली में नहीं, पूरे देश भर में डॉक्टर्स जो है स्ट्राइक पे जा रहे हैं। अब एक अक्यूज जो है वो अरेस्ट हुआ है, तो और क्या डिमांड है आपकी, और कितनी डिमांड है?
सही बात ये है, असली बात ये है कि जिसको गिरफ्तार किया गया है वो एक स्केपगोट है, वो बलि का बकरा है। असली जो मुजरिम है वो घूम रहे हैं, और ये एक आदमी का काम नहीं है, इसमें 2 से 3 लोग इन्वॉल्व है। ये गैंग रेप का मामला है, ये निर्भया पार्ट 2 है। तो जब तक उनको गिरफ्तार नहीं किया जाएगा उसके लिए हमें सीबीआई जांच चाहिए। बिना सीबीआई जांच आजकल के जो गैर जिम्मेवार अथॉरिटीज है उनको परमानेंटली जब तक नहीं हटाया जाएगा, और जब तक सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट जो कि एक डॉक्टर्स के प्रोटेक्शन का एक्ट हो वो नहीं आता, तब तक ये हड़ताल जारी रहेगी। हमने इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज को बिल्कुल भी हैम्पर नहीं किया है, इमरजेंसी सर्विसेज चल रही है, बट अगर हम सेफ नहीं है तो हम कैसे अपने पेशेंट्स को सेफ्टी दे सकते हैं? तो हम मजबूर हैं।
So you heard her, she's saying that the emergency services have not been impacted at all, but the elective services of course are going to be impacted in some of the hospitals, but they have been saying until and unless they don't feel safe, how are they going to work, is what the claim that is coming in from the resident doctors who are sitting on strike here.